Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Like the previous video, we're just jumping straight in and we're going straight into the deep conditioning part of my wash day. Do you see how easy it is to part my hair, guys? Because my hair is so moisturized now after the conditioner that there's like no tangles. It's still pillow soft, honey, pillow soft. I like to apply my deep conditioner to soaking wet hair, but as I've been standing here talking to you guys, my hair has been dripping out all the moisture. So I'm going to re-wet my hair and apply the deep conditioner. Follow along. Alright guys, so this is just going to be sped along because I'm just applying the deep conditioner and twisting up my hair and then pinning it away. But you can see that it takes my hair so good, and you'll actually see that I run out of the deep conditioner in this part of the video, but I had another one on standby. Yes, it's that great. Check out the description box for a discount code. It's not sponsored. Alright guys, so that's it for applying my deep conditioner. As you can see, even on application, it's so moisturizing. Honestly, if your hair is dry, this will revive, okay? So make sure you check this brand out because it's amazing. Anyways, I'm gonna pop out the shower, wipe up all the water. So that's another reason, guys, you should be subscribing, because to make these videos is not easy. I'm cold, the extractor fan is very distracting, the bathroom is like a swimming pool. So to bring these videos to you, there's a lot that's going on. So please, if you've gotten this far, if you are in the series, if you are locked in with me, please do your girl a favor. It's free. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you. I'm gonna pop out, leave for 30 minutes. Well, I'll see. I'll say 30 minutes. It might be 2 hours, but I'll let you know how long I stay out of the shower, and then I'll get back in and then I'll show you guys the results. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Guys, I can't move my face. Let me get down here. Okay, so I'm gonna pop back in the shower. So whilst I was out the shower letting this marinate, I decided to put a face mask, you know, self-love day, all of that. So I've got a plastic cap, I've got a plastic bag here, and then I've just put this microfiber towel on top of it, and then I sat underneath my standing dryer. Alright guys, so I'm going to basically rinse out like a twist per time, and then apply this leave-in, which is the naughty leave-in. There's no point of doing a separate video, just apply the leave-in. I like to apply leave-in straight after like rinsing out the deep conditioner, because I just want to like seal in that goodness. So what I'll do is I'll rinse out the deep conditioner with cold or cool water. I go cold, but you guys should try cool and then move up to cold, you know, just to see how your hair reacts. But by using cold water, it just closes your hair cuticles and keep all of that goodness and moisture inside your hair, makes it shiny, just makes it gorgeous. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to rinse out a section, apply the leave-in, twist back up, move on. Okay, so follow along. Alright guys, so to wrap this video up quickly, I'm basically going to do what I said. I'm going to take down a section of my hair, rinse out the deep conditioner, apply the leave-in, twist up and move on. Short and sweet, a little bit like me. So also, if you want to try these products, again, there's a discount code in the description box. It's an affiliate link, so I do get something back because I'm bringing this to your attention. But the products are fantastic, and this is not sponsored, okay? But yeah, try it for yourself. Let me know how you get on, and let me know if you learn anything from my technique, and hopefully it helps you. I'm just gonna wrap this up here. Also, the brush that I'm using is a Tangle Teezer Ultimate Finisher, because I know someone's gonna ask. And that's it guys, have a good one.